Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram download problems. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and now scroll down to the apps and now go to the search and search on Instagram. Now as you see, go to the storage next and here you will find clear cache, click on it. Now you can check if it worked. If it didn't work, you can try maybe to restart the phone. And if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, you will lose all your data and all your stuff. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.